Atomy Business School. Freshman, this is the startup course, and this is, if you join the course, you can learn the competitiveness and platform and business. And sophomore, build up course, and you get to learn all the core elements working together, and honesty is the best thing in Atomy and Atomy Prestige. And as a junior, this is a level up course, and this is a speech academy, nutrition academy, and a HemoHIM and beauty school, personal brand, mentoring school, and entrepreneurship camp and goal setting workshop. And you get to go to senior, and this is what we call jump up course. And you can see the Mongsang Leaders Academy and all the different elements. You get to learn that. And when you go to the MBA course, you get to have the customized curriculum. This is what Atomy Business School is all about. And please be aware of this information.